Girl, let me tell you what happened next. After the Mario Brothers shoes, after the Cadillac clowns, I swore I'd never feel that kind of shame again. Then one day, my aunt, the one with the money, pulled up. You know the type. Gold bangles, fresh nails, new car, clean credit. She didn't live in the hood no more. She came from over there. And that day, she said she was taking us shopping. Me and my sister were in the back seat, cheesing hard. We thought this was it, our glow-up moment. We were about to walk in the store regular and walk out looking like somebody. And then I saw them. Lavender and white LA gears, brand new, sitting on the display like they were waiting for me. The ribbon laces matched. Lavender and white, soft and shiny, like magic tied up in a bow. I stared at them like they could fix everything. Then my sister leaned over and said, "Get those. Put 'em in your bag." I didn't want to do it, but I also didn't want to be the girl with the Mario shoes no more. I didn't want to hear Cadillac style echoing down the hallway. I didn't want to feel less than again. So I did it. I tried to steal worth, and I got caught. Security pulled me aside. Store lights felt hotter than the sun. My face was on fire, my heart beating through my ears. And when they called my aunt over, the look on her face, it wasn't anger. It wasn't even disappointment. It was shame. She didn't say much, just shook her head, told the store manager we wouldn't be back, told us to get in the car. She never raised her voice, but she also never came back. That was the last time she took us anywhere. We became a reminder of the life she tried to leave behind. And me? I didn't just lose a pair of lavender and white LA gears with the ribbon laces. I lost a piece of trust, a slice of innocence, and a shot at being the niece she could be proud of. All because I thought a pair of shoes could fix the cracks in my self-worth. Girl, that's what happened. Ever wanted something so bad just to feel seen? You did what you had to do. The world judged me for what I stole, but never asked why I needed it. Truth is, my worth didn't come from lavender laces. It was always mine. I just didn't know it yet. Drop worth in the comments if you've ever tried to buy or steal what you should have been given freely. Love, attention, acceptance. Follow for more good tales. It wasn't the end. It was the beginning of me figuring out who I really was. Don't forget to follow.